Okay guys, this is me with my code. Okay, so this is my code. I did way more than anyone else. And let's get started with what it does. So now it asks how many vertices do you want your polygon to be. You can't do 1 or 2 because it wouldn't be a closed shape and it wouldn't be a polygon. So I'm going to start with 3 and then press OK. And now it says, do you want red, uppercase R, blue, uppercase B, yellow, uppercase Y, and yada yada yada. And now I'm going to start with red as my triangle. And then I'm going to press no, clear screen, because it's obviously going to overlap because it's a fill color. I'm going to press N. And now, how many vertices? 4. And now I'm going to start with blue, which is B. And now I got a square. And now I'm going to press no again. And now I'm going to do 5, the pentagon. And now I'm going to do yellow. And no again.